Hey everybody, Dave Bartosiak with the Momentum Trader at Zacks. Going over our chart of the day for Tuesday, August 26, 2014. Took a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average to see how the blue chips were doing. We saw the S&P 500 hit a new all-time high today. Just seems like every day is just another boring all-time high that gets squeaked out here. But wanted to touch base on the Dow here to show you a little something on the stochastics. Now, the stochastic indicator plotted here at the bottom of the screen really it tries to tell you the action that's going on within the bar compared to previous bars in the range. So when it's down below 20, it's an oversold condition. That's usually preceded by a lot of lower bars. It'll open high and then close much lower than that. So that's where you get the red bars on the chart here, and the green ones are obviously the opposite, where it's up on the day. So this usually precedes what you see with the oversold. Stochastic is obviously the stock price going down or whatever it is you're looking at. In this case, we're looking at the Dow. So in early August, when we had that sell-off, the Dow got down to about 16,333, and you had the stochastics very oversold. In this case, I'm using the 12 period with a 3 period percent K and a 5 period percent D. When you look at different charting programs, you're going to be able to add different parameters. This happens to be the default for this. You can tweak them a little bit, but in the grand scheme, you're basically going to come out with the same thing. So anyway, here we had an oversold condition. If you look at the bottom, with that stochastic down at 7, had a bullish cross, which tells you, okay, it's time to buy. Since then, we've had a pretty good run up, and here we are sitting at 17,106 on the Dow, short of an all-time high closing, I believe. That was the 16th of July. We got to 17,138, so just a shade below that, pretty close. Seems like we're breaking out here, though. I doubt we're going to run out of gas and reverse here, so it'll probably go a little bit higher. Now, one thing I pointed out in the commentary was stochastics are in an overbought condition right now, but during a bull rally like this that we've seen, when you have these bearish crossovers on the stochastic, it doesn't mean it's the end. All it means is the market's really coming up and taking a pause and breathing a little bit. That's why you can see stochastics can remain oversold for a long period of time, like you had almost all of February was oversold. I'm sorry, overbought. It could stay in one condition. So you had that throughout the month of February, April you had it, May, June you had it. So this stochastic level can stay up here over over 80, but certainly over 50 for for long extended periods of time. So just something to take a note. Right now we're breaking out, confirmed by the stochastics. If we take a little break or a breather, that's pretty natural. So that's something to look forward to the rest of the week. Have a fantastic night, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.